Hi friends, this video shows how to check whether a year is leap year or not. Here we are importing the calendar function, calendar module, import calendar, then entering the year y equal to input, enter a year. Then for checking the leap year, we are assigning the value that is true or false to a variable L equal to calendar dot is leap, that our value y. If y is a leap year, then the value of L will be true, otherwise it will be false. Then if L print leap year, else print not. First of all, we are entering the value 2004, which equal to calendar dot is leap of y. Okay, here we have to convert this to int. Input a year 2004. 2004 is a leap year. Again, we are using another value. 2000 is also a leap year. Then we are giving another value which is not a leap year, that is 2001. Not. Thanks for watching this video.